If we double click that, we've got the game. Hey guys, James here. I'll just preface this video by saying that this is all essentially abandonware at this point. This same data set is available for free and easily in one click from a matchmaking program called Voobly in the form of what they call user patch. The community itself is pretty much split now between the definitive edition and Voobly as well, so this is not something that we're going to be doing online really. This is more for pretty hardcore players which want to play custom AIs like Barbarian or Immortal, which is what I'm doing here, which do actually specify on their sites that they do strongly advise to have WololoKingdoms as opposed to a user patch on Voobly. So with that in mind, let's get started. Okay, Age of Empires 2, WololoKingdoms. First thing we need to do is download it from GitHub, which is this one here. And then if we scroll down, we can use either one of these two links, download the latest release, and then the one we want to use, patch 5.81. WololoKingdoms 5.81.zip. We'll put that wherever, we'll put it on the desktop. And then if we go into the zip folder itself, extract the actual folder, again we'll just put it wherever, the desktop. And then if we go into the folder itself, we'll put that on that side. And on this side we've got the Age of Empires 2 HD folder. We need to make sure that we've run the game at least once, so we've created all of our profiles and anything else the actual conversion's going to need later on. And then if we click either one of these two, WololoKingdoms or WK Updater, it's going to ask us if we want to update, which we don't need to because we've just downloaded the latest one, so we can skip that. And eventually what's going to happen is we're going to get this error message, Steam API could not be initialized. So if we click OK to that, what we can see it's not going to let us run the conversion because Steam's not running. So what we need to do is close this, and then if we bring the folders back, we can see here this is the WololoKingdoms folder, steamapi.dll, and then this is the Age of Empires 2 HD folder, the Goldberg version, or at least that's what my player name was when I first ran it. What we need to do is override steamapi.dll in the WololoKingdoms folder with this version from the Age of Empires 2 HD folder. So if we copy that and then copy and replace, we'll run either one of these two again, skip the update check. We can see once we've selected the hotkeys, it'll allow us to run the conversion. Problem is it's going to fail because it can't find the Age of Empires 2 HD files themselves. So what we need to do, if we close it again, long story short, we need to make a new folder inside the WololoKingdoms folder, 221380, and then we need to move all of these files here from the Age of Empires 2 HD folder and put them into this folder here, 221380. And if we go back and try it for the third time, select whatever hotkeys, any of this stuff that we want as well, install directory. This is where I've installed the original Age of Empires 2, and then if we try to run it again, hopefully it's going to work. And then eventually, yeah, conversion complete. WololoKingdoms mod is now available as a separate wk.exe in the Age 2 X1 folder. Perfect. Right, let's click that. Okay, close this. And then if we go into our Age of Empires 2 folder itself, and we go into h2_x1, we can see we've now got this exe file here, wk.exe. If we double click that, we've got the game. It's a bit small because of the scaling on this computer. If we try to just launch a test game, what's going to happen is it's going to work. So there we are, easy as that. Hope it was useful. Like I say, if you want an easy life, just go on Voobly, where this same data set is available for free in the form of what they're calling v1.5 RC user patch. Apart from that, good luck, have fun, might see you again next time.